Dear ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. My video right now is dedicated to getting rid of mytelevisiononline.com pop-up windows that may start disturbing your browser sooner or later. Unfortunately, the main reason why you see such pop-ups in your browser is because the computer could be infected by certain adware. Now, this pop-up install.mytelevisiononline.com intends to hijack your browser and specifically to hijack your default search engine settings. So I recommend you to be very careful. The pop-up will do both things. It will show annoying web push notifications, so if you click on the allow button, it will start disturbing you even more considerably. It also tells you to click on this add to Chrome button, and it will then lead you to some landing page of this extension. And it will download and install the extension eventually if you click on add to Chrome, but it is strongly advised that you do not agree with such proposals, and in case it was installed, you need to access your browser settings by going here and clicking on more tools, extensions, and disabling or deleting such extension. Apart of that, I also recommend that you properly scan your Mac computer with the reliable security software such as Combo Cleaner. You may download it through the website combocleaner.com, and there will be a special green download Combo Cleaner button available here, so you may do that. Afterwards, install the program and start scanning with it by clicking on Start Combo Scan button. Combo Cleaner initially comes as the trial version, which only has got the disk cleaner function, which is free, but the antivirus function is the part of the premium license. Hopefully this video was beneficial. Scanning with Combo Cleaner Premium will help to detect other threats, and in fact Combo Cleaner, even trial version, will work as a free scanner, so you will be able to remove those threats manually if they are detected, or automatically with the licensed version of the program. Thanks for watching.